Mastering polite requests and offers in English. Hello, English learners. In today's video, we're going to explore the fascinating world of modal verbs, specifically how to use them for making polite requests and offers. So, if you've ever wondered how to ask for something or offer help without sounding rude, stick around. We've got some interesting exercises in store for you. First things first, it's essential to understand the core concept. In English, we often use modal verbs like could, would, and may to soften our requests or offers, making them sound more polite and less direct. For example, instead of saying, "Give me the book," you can say, "Could you give me the book?" Or, "I would like the book, please." These phrases express the same need, but with more politeness. Now, let's get into some practical exercises. Try writing polite requests for the following situations. Don't forget to use modal verbs. 1. You want your roommate to turn down the music. 2. You need your colleague to help you with a project. 3. You're asking a stranger for directions. Take a few minutes to complete these. Afterwards, we'll go through some possible answers together. Great job with the requests. Now, let's move on to offers. Similar to requests, we use modal verbs to sound less imposing. Try writing polite offers for these situations. 1. Your friend seems tired and you want to make them a cup of tea. 2. A coworker is carrying heavy boxes and you want to help. 3. A stranger seems lost and you want to assist them with directions. Again, take a few minutes to write these, then we'll review some potential responses. Well done on those exercises. Let's review some potential responses together. Of course, these are not the only correct answers, but they serve as good examples. For the requests, you might have written, 1. Could you please turn down the music a bit? 2. Would you be able to help me with this project? 3. Could you tell me how to get to the station, please? For the offers, 1. You look tired. Could I make you a cup of tea? 2. Those boxes look heavy. May I help you carry them? 3. You seem a bit lost. Could I assist you with directions? Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering polite requests and offers. That's it for today's lesson, everyone. I hope you found it helpful and that you're now more confident in making polite requests and offers in English. Remember, it's not just about what you say, but how you say it that matters. Keep practicing these exercises, and soon it'll become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.